Longer charge, always secure. Introducing Swann's AllSecure600 2K wireless security kit, a revolution in adaptable security monitoring and recording. These 100% wire-free cameras have a long-lasting battery, allowing for flexible installation. Take advantage of their bright spotlights, two-way audio, and loud sirens in areas where it's not convenient to run cables, and control it all with the Swann Security app. Installation is easy, and the system transmits video wirelessly, while SwannNet technology optimizes your Wi-Fi connection. You get free local recording with the option to back up your video to your Dropbox account. You'll know what's happening at any hour with Swann's night-to-day technology. It provides amazing color at night up to 32 feet, 10 meters, or take advantage of the powerful infrared night vision up to 100 feet, 30 meters in total darkness. Swann's TrueDetect heat and motion detection senses heat from people and cars for more reliable monitoring and fewer false alarms. Stay informed with the Swann Security app. 2K HD video, a powerful digital zoom, and push notifications ensure you'll always know what's happening from anywhere in the world. Watch live or playback video on any HDMI display at home. Plus, you can still monitor and record if the internet is down. And you can speak to see what's happening using Hey Google and Alexa. The tough indoor-outdoor design is built to withstand rain, snow, and heat all year round. That's the AllSecure600 2K wireless security kit, a revolution in smarter security from Swann.